Today I'm making a s'mores pie. First I'm going to make the crust for the pie, so in my bowl I have 2 cups of crushed graham crackers. Next I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a 9-inch pie plate. I'm going to add the graham cracker crust into the pie plate and press it in, and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the graham cracker crust is baking, I'm going to make the filling for the pie, so in a pot I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Next I'm going to add 1 box of cook and serve chocolate pudding mix. Then I'm going to cook this on medium heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a boil. Next I'm going to add the chocolate pudding into the crust and let it cool for a few minutes before putting it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now that it's been 3 hours, I took the pie out of the fridge. I'm going to cover the top in marshmallow fluff. After I spread out the marshmallow fluff, I'm going to put this in the oven and broil it for a few minutes to get the top nice and toasty. Here's what the pie looks like when it came out of the oven. Here's a slice of the s'mores pie.